Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm showing you guys how I do this simple flat twist hairstyle. I am starting on very dirty hair. It's dirty, but we're going to work on it. I'm being lazy and I really don't feel like washing my hair, but I still need to style it or do something with it because it's been especially rainy in Vancouver and I don't want to just walk out with my hair like that. That's why I'm just doing this style. Maybe I'll have it in for like 2 or 3 days and then actually wash my hair and style it. I am sectioning my hair as you can see, and then I'm just tying the back. I'm going to still add moisture on it and add a styling cream because I feel like I still need to moisturize it. I'm not sure if like the stuff goes inside, but I still feel the need to do it. So I'm just adding moisture to it and then I'm going to detangle it again since it's sort of like wet-ish. And then I'm going to start doing the flat twist. This is a very easy, simple style. To be honest, in the past I was kind of hesitant when I was doing like really simple things like making videos of them. But now I'm starting to realize that some of you know how to style your own hair. You just want some like, an inspiration, like what do I do with my hair this week kind of thing. So this is what I'm doing with my hair this week. I hope, I don't know, if you're looking for something to do with it, then you can do the same for yours as well. But this is like real time. Like, you guys see how slow I'm doing? Now I feel the need to actually do like a slower version of me doing my hair, or like a real time version, just so that you guys see that I also like, I'm not an expert. I'm basically just learning just as much as you guys, and I'm being patient with taking care of my own hair. That being said, I'm just finishing the flat twist and then I'm going to pull the hair in the back. I'm also adding water, as you can see, and then I'm going to go in with the same styling cream that I used and I'm adding that into my hair. And since I put water in my hair, it basically shrinks from its stretched form and I have to brush it into a bun in the back. It's slightly easy because like a part of my hair is sectioned off, so I am just pulling that into the back. By the way guys, one of the most common questions I get is people asking how do they make their hair softer. I don't know, I have no idea how you make your hair softer. If you guys have an answer for that, can you please leave something in the comment section? One thing that I've just learned about my natural hair is basically accepting what my hair is. And since I accepted that, honestly, I just learned how to work with what I have. If it's too hard or not too hard, basically too hard. If it's too hard to comb, then I have basically taught myself how to comb my hair in a way that is not too painful. That is all. Like, that's all I've learned about my natural hair, me accepting it and me working with what I have. And I found that has worked for me and it has made this journey so much easier. If you guys have any comments or like any points that you can add for someone in the comment section, please just leave something. I think a lot of ladies would find it very, very helpful. But that's it for the style. I'm just adding a scarf right now to lay the edges and everything, and I did my makeup and this is how we're looking like. I love red lipsticks. If you're not new then you know that already. But I'm going in with this Mali hair, guys. I always reuse my Mali hair. This is the same pack that I used for this hairstyle, and I also used it for this hairstyle, and I used it for this hairstyle. And it still has probably like 5 or 6 more styles to go before I give up on this pack of Mali hair. And this is like a small section of the Mali hair. I have like 12 strands and I'm just using that to make the bun in the back. If I was going to wear this style for a week, then I would probably crochet in the back hair because I feel like crocheting it in just makes it stay longer and it's more secure. I did the crochet method for this hairstyle, so if you want to check out how I did that, then you can definitely check that out. But to finish the hairstyle, let's add in some earrings and complete it. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you've watched all the way to this point, thanks for being a subscriber. And if you haven't yet, girl, go on ahead and subscribe and join the family. But this is basically it for this week's hairstyle. I'm going to upload another video on Thursday, so don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. And also make sure you turn on the notification bar so that you are notified when I upload the video. That being said, guys, have a nice week. See you on Thursday. Bye.